Penguins, and welcome back to another video with Miss Jailene. Today we are going to be making Marshmallow Penguins, and the ingredients you're going to need is chocolates because you're going to need to melt it. Any type of chocolate that you want to use, dark, white, whatever your preference is. You're going to need marshmallows. You're going to need some googly eyes. These are candy eyes. If you don't have candy eyes, you can use M&Ms. And you're going to need parchment paper. And if you don't have parchment paper, then you can use regular aluminum foil paper just to put down. And you're going to need a plate to transfer over your penguins. So the first step that you're going to want to do is you're going to grab a bowl or a big cup, and you're going to put as much chocolate as you want. And you're going to want to melt it in your microwave. When you first put it in, you're going to do 30 seconds. Take it out, mix it up, put it back in for another 30 seconds. When that is done, take it back out again, mix again, and keep doing that until your chocolate is melted. I normally just do 1 minute and then I mix, and as you can see, my chocolate is melted. So the next step is to grab your marshmallows. I'm gonna open up my marshmallows. And this is the fun part. You're just gonna grab your marshmallow, dip it into your chocolate. And you're not gonna wanna cover your marshmallow the entire way. Just halfway or the top. You don't want it. So, gonna look something like this. So, do as many marshmallows as you want. I'm gonna do about 5 of these. Okay, and this is what your marshmallows should start looking like this. And then what you're gonna do is, once you have done all the marshmallows that you want to use, you're gonna transfer them onto a plate, and you're gonna put them in your fridge for about 15-20 minutes. So I'll see you in a little bit. A quick little memo, my friends. Once you have your marshmallows in your fridge, your leftover chocolate, do not throw it out because we're gonna need it for our candy eyes or your M&Ms. Hi, my little friends, so welcome back. So your marshmallows should be coming out of the fridge now, and you can see that the chocolate has hardened around it. So our next step is to put our eyes on them. So like I said, if you don't have the candy eyes, you can use M&Ms if you want to. So like I said, don't throw away the chocolate that we were using. If your chocolate by any chance hardened, just put it back in the microwave, 10-15 seconds, take it out, mix it until it's back to being melted. So now what you're going to just do is just take a little bit of the chocolate and just put it in the back of your eye. Just so that you can just use the chocolate as a glue for your marshmallow. And just stick it on. I'm using a spoon because it's kind of helping me. So as you can see, it looks something like this little marshmallow penguin. And just keep doing that until the rest of your penguins are done. And just let your the chocolate really dry in there, dry and stick to your penguin. And remember, you can make your penguin entirely out of chocolate and cover it up all the way with chocolate if you want. Get as creative as you want. You might not have the chocolate eyes, the candy eyes, but I'm pretty sure with M&Ms it would look just the same, be just as yummy. So as you can see, some of my little penguins are all done. And that is it for making penguin chocolates, chocolate penguins. Hope you guys enjoyed making this quick snack with me. Till our next video. Bye,